Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install OpenIndiana Hipster 2023.10 on VirtualBox 7.0. So this is my latest version of VirtualBox 7.0. So OpenIndiana is a flavor of Solaris operating system. So first step is I am going to create an OpenIndiana 2023.10 virtual machine. So now I have provided a destination path where virtual machine is getting stored. Next I am providing the DVD ISO file where I have downloaded from OpenIndiana website. So I am allocating 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores, 40 GB virtual hard disk. Finish. That's it. Once again go to settings, system, uncheck floppy. Optical drive is the first device in the boot order. Pointing device will be USB tablet. Network NAT. We need internet connection to download some packages. So this is the boot menu. So I am choosing the first one, okay, multi-user, okay, that is a default one. Just press enter, it will take you to the live desktop. So before that we need to give what is the language, okay, you are using. So English is my default language. Yes, you can see that live desktop is started. So OpenIndiana is running in made desktop. So this is a made desktop environment. So let me adjust screen resolution. So I adjusted the live desktop to full screen resolution. So in the desktop you can able to see one icon, install OpenIndiana. Click that one, it will run the OpenIndiana installer, okay. So click the next button. So I am going to use the old disk. Select the option, use the old disk. Next, time zone I am selecting as per my location. Next, local language will be English. Territory I am giving my country name. Click the next button. So now I am providing the root password. Next I am providing the login username. Provide the password for login username. And provide the computer name. So click the next button. So this is a summary of the installation. We are going to proceed. So click the install button. So this will take some time. Okay, so installation is completed. So I am going to quit the installer. Okay, now I am going to switch off my virtual machine. Okay, once again go to settings, system, system. Hard disk will be the first device in boot order, so I am unchecking optical drive. So no other changes is needed. So I am not removing, okay, let it be there, not a problem. So I change the boot order. Hard disk is the device in the boot order. So OpenIndiana will be now booting from hard disk. So select the first option, multi-user. Okay, so this desktop, after successful installation of OpenIndiana, so now I open the terminal, going to install the VirtualBox Guest Edition software. So login as a root user in terminal. So you can see that root password expired message is displayed. So we need to change the password after the installation. Okay, so change the password. So after changing the password, I am installing the VirtualBox Guest Edition software. So this is the command to install the Guest Edition in OpenIndiana Hipster. Okay, package install VirtualBox Editions. So this will connect to the OpenIndiana repositories and it will download the respective packages and install it. Okay. Yes. So VirtualBox Guest Edition package is installed successfully. So no need to install any additional components. Okay. So just run this command as a root user. That's it. Now I am going to once again shut down the machine. So now I am going to enable VirtualBox Guest Edition features. Settings, general, advanced, shared clipboard, bidirectional, drag and drop bidirectional, shared folder. So I am going to mount one Windows host machine directory to OpenIndiana Hipster virtual machine. Okay, auto mount. Okay, so full screen is adjusted automatically. So let me open the terminal. So I am going to run some commands. So after running some commands, I am going to copy paste the terminal output to Windows host machine notepad to check whether shared clipboard feature is working or not. Okay, let me copy this terminal output. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Welcome to OpenIndiana Hipster. So let me try from Windows host machine to OpenIndiana virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste from both. So bidirectional it's working. So shared clipboard feature is working fine. So let me test shared folder now. Okay, so you can see shared folder is mounted in desktop, so it's unable to access directly. So let me open in terminal and access as a root user. So login as a root user in terminal. So shared folder is mounted in /media directory. Same like Linux environment, here also shared folder is mounted in media directory, cd/media. Yes, I can able to access the content of shared folder also. So finally, OpenIndiana Hipster 2023.10 installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is successful. So only one single command, that's it. So we need internet connection for this.